Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And I'm out here at the park again. And guess what? It's Throwback Thursday, y'all. So I'm out here with a quick little flight. I have a little brushless micro out here. This little guy was from Furibee, or Ishin rather. I can't remember exactly, but I know this guy is a replica or a copy of another quad called the Gizzard that was very popular for its speed and all, and for its look, very unique. And somebody in the comments called this guy the Gizzard. And I thought that was hilarious, and so I've been calling this thing the Gizzard since that day. And so I'm out here with the Gizzard for a quick flight. I'm not going to do any FPV with it, although it is an FPV drone. I'm just out here to do some flippy floppy flips and stuff with it and fly it acro. And so let's get this guy up in the air. It runs 2S and 3S. It's set up so that the receiver goes into bind mode at startup. And so let's see. Oh, something ain't right because the front props are not spinning. Let's see that again. Yeah, the front props are not spinning on this guy. What the heck is going on with it? Let me try to calibrate it. Maybe that's it. Yeah, the front props on this guy just isn't working. They aren't working. Oh, let me try to do this again. Hopefully it works. Sheesh, I did a test flight indoors a little bit. I was only able to hover though. Now it doesn't want to do anything at all now. I don't know what's up with this thing. Ah, yeah. Guess it's not meant to fly this guy. I don't know what's the deal with it. Maybe the battery is too low. Let me try 3S. This is a 2S. This guy is 3S capable. Sheesh. Bring the guy out here. He don't want to start up for me. It's weird when these things happen. Okay, it sounded like it ready that time. I wasn't hearing the ready from it last time. Okay, seems like it's going to go. Okay, so maybe it was just the battery. It didn't like that 2S. And so we're in acro now. Let's see. Okay, so the rates seem to be okay with it. Check it out, guys. Gizzard is in the air. Has those cool LEDs in the rear. The LEDs usually flash to let you know which direction you're giving input to. It's not doing that now. It's just flashing green and blue. I think it's set to monitor the show the battery now. The battery, when the battery is power is exerted, it seems like it changes colors. I notice it's green when I'm hovering, but then when I do a punch out, it goes red. So using a lot of power. So that's the punch out on this guy with this little 3S. I have a little 3S on it. I didn't think that I would be able to fly it long with this 3S anyhow, because this is a small little 3S. But for the most part, the rates are pretty respectable. I like the way the rates are. Bring it around here. You guys can see it. The Gizzard. And it's beeping, it wants to land. I don't want to kill my battery. This is one of my little toothpick batteries. Bring this guy in. So that's the Gizzard. I think this is a Furibee quad though. I have the name of it, the exact name right here. Once if I'm able to find it, but as far as I'm concerned, this guy is the Gizzard now. Thanks for watching.